Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I've got an unboxing of this monthly box which is the January box from ColorfulJuly, as you can see on here. So obviously I'm going to unbox it on here to show you. They did send me this. That's really beautiful. That's just made me forget what I was even saying then, looking at that. Look how stunning that is. What a gorgeous envelope. I didn't even know envelopes like that existed. That's so cool. I absolutely love that. Anyway, yeah, so they did send me this as like PR. So obviously they've not sent it me and said, you must say nice things. Like, they just send it me and I can say what I like. So obviously that goes with everything that I show you on my channel. It's always my own opinions. I would never lie about anything. So I have no idea what's in this, by the way. This is a complete surprise to me. So we've got, what's in here? Ooh, some fingerless gloves, which are obviously perfect for like doing nail art and stuff like that. To be fair, I do actually need to start wearing these. I know you should wear like full cover gloves and stuff for doing nails, but I can't feel my fingers when I'm wearing them. And I know it's a bad excuse and blah, blah, blah. I know I don't need a lecture before anyone thinks that they want to give me one. But yeah, I just find it so much easier to use my actual hands. But I feel like they'd be better because you'd still have the feeling of your fingertips. So I might start wearing them, especially for stamping, because I get polish all over me when I'm stamping. But anyway, so we've got a buffer here, which is a 100/180 grit. So obviously, as you can see, the back of it is the 100 grit because the pieces of grit are bigger, basically. So it's more rough. This is a 100/180 file as well. And then we've got some stickers. Gosh, there's so much in this box. It's amazing. So we've got these firework stickers, which would be perfect for New Year. Love those. They're holographic as well. And then we've got these ones, very different. They're gold and black. And we've got some white ones here. Nice mixture on there. And we've got these images here. Very cute. And then we've got some 3D bits here. So we've got, sorry about that, just had to cut it off for a sec to cough because I suddenly just swallowed a bit of dust or something. But yeah, we've got some 3D pieces. So we've got hearts, butterflies, all sorts in here, different sizes and stuff, which is really cute. A good array of things. And then again in here, lots of different sizes of things. Very beautiful. And they're all like blush pink in there and gold. And then we've got some more here, and they're all, as you can see, gold. There's all sorts in there, but these take you forever to get through because majority of the time, even when you use these, not many clients will have like one on every single nail and stuff like that, so they last ages. And then here we've got a cat eye powder. That's super exciting. I've never used a powder of cat eye, so I'll definitely be trying that out in a future video. Is this cat eye as well? Yeah, and this is another one as well, and this is like the typical chameleon colour, as you can see, like the bluey purple. This one is silver. Then we've got some chromes and the eyeshadow applicators. I mean, to be fair, I don't actually know whether they're eyeshadows or chromes. They look like eyeshadows because of this gap here, but I suppose you can use eyeshadows as chromes, so why not? And then here we've got a correct and clean up pen, which is really cool. So obviously you put these in this end when you take the lid off, and you can use that to clean up just around a useful area. Then we've got a cuticle oil. I go through so many oils because I use it obviously at the end of every client service, so it's always nice to have oil. We've got a rhinestone glue. I'll be excited to use that and see how long they last. I might do some crystals on my nails next time when I do them and use that and see how long it lasts. It's a soak off one as well, so it needs curing. Then in here we've got a brush. I'm going to open this one up, see what the ends of the brush are, because obviously it's a bit pointless looking at it with the ends on. Oh well, that's a good job I opened it then, isn't it? Because it's not a brush at all. So obviously that's to go with the rhinestone glue, which is really cool. So you move the rhinestones around with this one, pick them up with this one and move them around with this one, which is really, really handy. I like that. I haven't actually got anything like that. That's really clever. Then what's in here? Then we've got some mixing gel in here. This is 26 grams. That's what it looks like. And then What's this? I think that's obviously the magnet that goes with the cat's eyes. And then in here we've got all of these foils, as you can see. I love this one. That is beautiful. I mean, I love them all obviously, but that is stunning. So different. Oh, I love blue. I'm always drawn to blue stuff. That's cute as well, actually. I like that. They're beautiful. Love all of those. You can never have too many foils. That's my motto. So in here we've got some gel polishes, I think. On the box it says removable nail polish, solid canned rubber. That's what it says on it. So let's have a look inside. Oh, that's a beautiful like gel paint sort of thing. So that's like a nice cornflower powder blue sort of colour. I will do a video in the near future using these products, by the way. This is literally just an unboxing for you to see what's in here. And then the next one is, I'm not playing ball with me, that is for sure. Can't get it out with my nail. I'm going to have to rip the box because it's driving me mad. I just want to get into it. There we go. So this one is, oh, the colours are literally on the top, I'm assuming. So that top of this one was blue, was it? I should definitely pay more attention. Yeah, so that one's blue. This one is green. Open it a little bit because I never open these fully. So that's that colour green, proper like leaf green, which is good. That'd be perfect for doing leaves in the autumn, winter months. I'm not going to put that back in the box because I've broken it to get it out. And then next up, I'm going to break it again because I never keep anything in the boxes anyway, to be honest. I just keep them in the pots. Next up, looks like it might be a glitter of some sort. So let's have a look. Let's use my battered hands as well, by the way. I know they look awful, but it's Christmas week. It's been a long week. Wow, that just took my breath as I opened that. That is incredible. Let's just burst that bubble. Look at that. That is absolutely stunning. Love that. So that's that one as well. And then last out of those four, we've got, what's it going to be? Looks like another blue. Is it the same one as this blue, number 43? Let's have a look. No, it's a different blue. That one's number 70, it's on there. This one is 43. Yeah, it's a lighter blue. That is stunning. Really beautiful pastel blue. That's going to be so popular in the spring months. I'm sorry if you can hear a child screaming in the background. It is my niece. She is obviously having a great time, if you can hear her. She's just giggling, which is like the best noise ever, isn't it? A toddler giggling. So I won't apologise for her actually giggling. I'm just apologising for the noise. Right, so what's this then? Let's open it, have a look. These are in bigger bottles. Ooh, look at that for a bottle. How beautiful. What colour is this? Oh, wow, look at that. Well, you would if it was focused, wouldn't you? But it's not. Oh my God, look. That is absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh, it's so sparkly. And there's not just glitter in there either. There's like flecks in there as well. Get into this one. I'm so excited. Oh, I just want to see it. What colour is this going to be? It's another glitter, and it's a gold with pink in it. It's gold fine glitter, and then pink specks. There's some blue specks as well. That is beautiful. Like really, really beautiful. Absolutely stunning. I'm going to do a coat of them too on a swatch stick, just so you can see what they look like, because obviously they look different on nails than in a bottle. Wow, so sparkly. There's so much going on in there. It's beautiful. So different. I'm just going to pop that in the lamp while I get the other one on a swatch stick. I can't believe how much is in this box. It's brilliant. I'm just going to pop a coat of this one on here. This one is stunning. It's definitely going to be popular with me, that is for sure. Might have to have this on my next set. That's that one. I'll do a second coat of both of them as well and then show you what they look like when they're cured. So those two are now cured. They're both absolutely beautiful. This is what they look like. How stunning are they? Honestly, just phenomenal. They both reflect amazingly. You just can't really see on camera. I've turned my flash on now so you can hopefully get a little bit more, but yeah, they're both beautiful. So I'm just going to pop everything back in the box just until I've got a lot of stuff at the moment that have been sent to me that I sort of need to just keep in the boxes for now, because hopefully in the not too distant future I will be moving all my stuff to my home, my new home salon there. So I don't want to really unpack everything just to pack it all back up again. But obviously I will be reaching for this box very soon anyway to be able to what's it called, my brain has gone completely numb. See what I mean? It's Thursday. I've got one working day left before Christmas. Life is chaotic, but yeah, I'm gonna go now. That is everything you've seen in the box. Everything to do with this brand and everything will be in the description box, so make sure you check out there for all the information to do with it, and any information that I need to put on the screen will be up here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon with another video. Bye.